Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to every one of you. I hope that you had an amazing time with your families, with your friends, and you are ready to kick on this new year. So I've been a little bit out of sight because remember that I told you I was building my home. I was doing some construction, so I was just jumping from hotel to Airbnbs, and it's been a crazy month. But finally I'm here. I have this new kitchen. It's amazing. Actually, I'm really happy. I think it was very hard, but it was worthy at the end. I'm very happy to start the year with this new kitchen, and of course new projects of things that I want to share with you, things that I want to be doing with you. And as I told you in December, I don't know if you remember that I have 3 main goals, at least in the first quarter, or at least like for this year. One of it is start to being a little bit healthier. So I'm going to share with you this healthy journey that I'm going to be having, because I really need to get into shape. So it's going to be a body transformation, I guess, and you are going, of course, to be joining me. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to put more content on my channel. I really want to learn how to cook like great. I really want to be good at cooking, and I have this new kitchen. So let's say that I have everything to start on that. So if you want to cook with me, I'm going to be sharing some recipes, some things that maybe you are going to be liking. Of course, I'm going to continue with the reactions because it's something that I do in this channel. So no worries that they are going to keep coming. But today I want to show you a healthy recipe, something that I'm going to start been doing quite often. And it's a detox juice, like for helping your body and for helping you to recover a little bit of what is being lost during the parties and the holidays. So this is a new kind of video. Welcome to that. Hope you like it, and let's begin. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this detox juice. Let's call it detox. So what I do is I put pineapple. Pineapple is great for your immune system, and has a lot of vitamins, and it's going to help you to clean and detox a little bit. So let's put pineapple in here. I feel great about having this new kitchen because I have a freezer now, so no wasting food. I have the chance to do more things. I can buy fresh fruits, and then I have where to store them. So I'm really excited. You know, it's like a little girl with a new toy. So I'm excited about that. Then cucumber, because it has a lot of it's help for hydration and help you also to the toxins, to get rid of them. So cucumber, here we go. And then lemon, of course, vitamin C. Actually, you don't see it in my face, but I feel it in my body. I have a little bit of flu, so I'm squishing this lemon. I actually don't care about the, how you call it, the things. Okay, so let's say I have the main ingredients. Then I put orange juice. This is fresh made, and I'm putting these oranges in here, and then going to cinnamon powder. I think is also good. It will help to burn a few calories because I need to get into shape before I'm going to do the summer body this year. I hope I'm going to get it. And then I have ginger powder. So let's put a little bit of ginger powder. And then this is aloe vera. I don't know how to pronounce it in English. Aloe vera. I don't know. So it says it's very good for detoxing and helping your body to get rid of nasty stuff. So let's put. Okay, let's read first. Let's say how much we can put. Okay, so you can put like 3 things of this every day. Okay, it's something that I'm starting to do because I don't read manuals and things, and then I break everything, and so I'm going to be more aware of everything this new year. Okay, so it says 3, but I'm just going to put 2 because I think that's the maximum. I'm not going to go to the maximum, so 2 is fine. And let's blend it. It's gonna be noisy, just for letting you know. Very, very noisy. So it has the smoothie options. Remember that there is a video, an old video. It's off the records now. But I still have it, and I made the unboxing of this blender like maybe 2 or 1 year and a half ago. So let's see, maybe if you like these videos like me cooking or doing my detox juice, maybe I can put it back. So just let me know in your comments if you would like to see that unboxing back. It was one of my first videos actually. Actually, I think it was the second video that I made before starting with the reaction. So why not? You know, let's go to the basics. So I'm going to start blending now. Okay, it's looking great. Let me take a glass. It's looking good. So cheers to me, cheers to you, cheers to this new year and new challenges, and of course new goals and new things that we are going to all accomplish. I'm very confident on that, very positive. I'm having better energy and I want my body to heal, to feel better. So of course I'm going to have my cheat days and we are going to cook together delicious things, but let's start officially this new detox process, at least for January. Okay, come on. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me some likes, and of course let me know what you think on the comments. Let's try this first. It's very good, not lying, very good. Try the recipe. I'm going to leave the ingredients in the description, so send me some love, your comments, and of course some likes. Bye.